Kami po ang pangkat-apat na mag-re-report sa inyong harapan. Kami po magpapakita ng maikling presentasyon na aming pinaghirapan, shadow flow.
Aming pinaghirapan,
Hindi makita. Kailangan malapit.
Ang pangit! Ang pangit! Tara! 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 Sapalin natin! Sapalin natin!
baka masampa.
Lekin.
Parang bata.
Fire.
R.
Isang araw,
Ay, ano pala yun? Gusto rin lang.
The native sea creatures are underjoining in the forest for food. SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward are on their way hunting. Yet they ended up with only a dog. With a little presence of mind, the creators wanted to create something. Something that will light up and make their food delicious. They tried scratching two sticks together but nothing happened. Till later on, the weather looks bad.
SpongeBob, what you gonna do? Patrick, Patrick, I'm so very hungry. What you gonna do?
Dapat di makita siya.
And so, suddenly, lightning struck and directly hit the log, producing light, producing fire.
Oh! What's happening? What's happening? What's that? What's that creature?
The two jumped in joy and started to pick up plants and cook them. Soon after eating, each of them wanted to own the fire. The chasing begins, with the fire being swept away with the storm.
That fire is mine! I got it! No! That's mine! It's mine!
The three all struggled to chase it. Later on, the fire rose backwards and chased the two. It was not long when they were already crying, arguing for it.
I got it! I got it!
Suddenly, the rain poured down.
The fire is gone! The end.